What is good, YouTube fam? It's your boy H-Town Sean.
And your girl Shay.
And we're back with another video. Guys, it's another beautiful day in Houston, Texas, guys. And it's a special day for us, guys, because Sean, he turns 14 today, guys.
So 14-year-old, y'all.
Yeah, I cannot believe it. He got 4 more years, and then we booted him out the house.
No.
We kicking him out. You gotta go.
No.
But nah, anyway, guys, we're gonna be celebrating Sean's birthday today. So today we're gonna get out. We're gonna go to Txr Paintball Arena. It's a paintball arena over here in Cypress, Texas, guys. And we're just gonna enjoy his birthday. We got his cousins with us, so it should be a real lit day, guys.
Cause somebody gonna lose today. Somebody gonna get shot up, paint up.
Yeah, and I'm a beast at shooting.
I hope they ready.
I'm a sharpshooter. No, I'm an expert. I'm an expert at shooting.
He say so. Let's see.
But yeah, guys, it's been about 2 weeks since we vlogged because, you know, we just been getting a lot of great things in order.
Yeah, so stay tuned.
Yeah,
we got a lot of cool content coming soon.
Yeah, and we got some stuff we're gonna reveal for the channel, guys. I'm talking about amazing, guys. So we're gonna have fun at this arena today, guys, and we're just gonna enjoy this beautiful sunny weather.
Yes.
It's springtime. It's the best time, guys. I hope you guys been enjoying your time. If you're watching the video right now, go ahead.
Smash that like button, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you know each and every time we drop a new video. Ride with the mob.
Ride with the mob, guys. On the way to 10K. We'll be there very, very soon, guys.
Yes, and thank each and every one of y'all that subscribe to us. We really appreciate it.
Yes, guys. So we're about to get this day started. Let's go. Y'all ready to get this day started, man?
Man, who gonna win? Who's on teams?
We all on teams.
Y'all on teams. Y'all hope to be on teams against somebody else.
How y'all on teams?
They might be playing against somebody
They
else.
gonna sort you and you.
It's only gonna be 6 of us. It's only gonna be 6 of us, so it's gonna be 3-on-3.
Yeah, because I'm gonna have to watch Layla and Reagan.
Yeah, Shay not gonna be playing, so it's just gonna be me, you, Sean, Rollin, Tyler,
it's still gonna be other
and Ricky.
Have a team, Big Sean.
Awesome.
Sean over here on the Oculus.
Yeah.
I don't know why they ain't got it on TV, but look at him looking crazy, y'all. And y'all, he also graduated 8th grade yesterday, so now we got a high schooler.
No, and his first year college start next year too.
Oh yeah, he's in the college academy.
Yeah,
Thank
so
God,
he's
man.
starting his first year freshman year and the first year college.
Yeah, so when he graduates, he's supposed to have an associate's degree already. And then we got a 5th grade graduate right
he
here.
middle school next year.
Yep.
Y'all getting old.
You ready for middle school?
Yeah, and also I turned 11.
Yeah, you turned 11. We didn't
On
vlog
Mother's Day.
that. Yeah, on Mother's Day, we didn't vlog that, but guys, we celebrating both of their birthdays today,
Yeah.
so, you know, it's a double whammy. And Layla Pooh, they been missing you. Layla Pooh, say hey, everybody. Layla Pooh.
What Reagan is?
Baby.
Reagan done disappeared. So
Reagan done disappeared, y'all. He too quiet, so something going on. But yeah, guys, I'm about to get out of here. I'll check you at the paintball arena. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we just made it to Txr Paintball. It's in Cypress, Texas. It's pretty close to our house. As you can see right there. Txr Paintball.
Looks like it's gonna be a lot of fun.
Alright now guys, we're at Txr Paintball Arena. As you can see, the inside. I guess some of the stuff that they have for sale. They got paint grenades for sale, stuff like that. It's gonna be like a real live Call of Duty game. As you can see, the prices, it's not too bad either. $24.95, 2 games.
Okay, so
Comes with all the equipment, so. You want smoke grenades too? Yeah, okay.
Smoke grenades?
You know what? We're gonna put the 2 paint grenades back and get all smoke grenades. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. So we're gonna do all smoke grenades. 5 total.
Those guns are expensive. They're $100 plus. $500, $300, $400.
Let me see.
I can't even afford one of them.
No, you can't really save your money.
Oh yeah.
No, everyone. We're in class, safety class, before we actually go in the arena. And it's about to go down.
Yeah, about to have some fun.
Txr Paintball.
Happy birthday, Sean.
Thanks.
Mr. 14-year-old.
Hey, everybody's about to get their equipment. Messy. Tyler got his mask. Hey. Hey, Jalen about to put on his vest. Rylan, look at you in your mask. You like the mask? Yeah.
Have y'all played paintball before? Y'all want me to explain how these work real quick? I believe. Do y'all all know how these work? Am I good to just hand them to you?
No. Oh no, you can tell them how it works.
I'll give you a quick little rundown real quick. This little orange thing right here, that's just the barrel shock. It's basically a manual safety. It keeps your gun from firing out. That has to stay on unless we're on the field, but y'all be good on that. That right there is your hopper. That's where all your paint is going to go inside of your gun. If your gun ever stops shooting during the middle of the game or doesn't work, just pull that back and click, and that'll usually solve any problems. If it still doesn't work, just call the ref over and they'll get it fixed for you. This right here is your tank.
Layla, where you going? Layla, you paintballing? Layla, you about to go paintballing? What? Yes, it's paintballing. Oh goodness, she ready.
Y'all look like y'all not ready. Nah, I'm playing. Alright, now y'all, we in here. They about to start the paintball war. It's about to go down.
Out of that or you will be out of bounds. One team is going to start in between these 2 telephone poles or underneath this tape line right here. The other team is going to start at that far end between those far end telephone poles and that far end tape line on the opposite side. Okay? Once the game begins, your objective is just to eliminate the enemy team before they eliminate yours, or team deathmatch, all right? Please do not crawl or climb into any of these tubes. There's spikes, snails, snakes, spiders, things and stuff like that. There's no one here. Shoot. That's definitely not. Hey, take over here. You go over here.
Get around. Alright, now it's halftime. We're switching sides.
Yep.
Game over. I don't know who won, but let's find out, y'all. Stay tuned. Rollin dangerous, man.
Yeah, Rylan wanna go.
Rollin be running up while they shoot.
Life though. He about that life.
You bought that life, huh, Rollin?
He the only one out of bullets.
Yeah. We gotta go get Rollin some more paintballs. Oh, y'all didn't even use y'all smoke grenade.
I was tempted to throw it, but
Yeah.
as soon as I got
Hey, y'all just let him go. Y'all gotta reach back far and throw, cause y'all
Yeah.
I was finna pull.
No, put the smoke grenade kind of in front of you, so you can be more concealed. Don't throw it too far. Then it's gonna be the smoke gonna be too far away from you.
Yeah, but
see what I'm saying?
They ain't gonna see if it's that
Oh
close to
look, he got like a little practice range right here, y'all.
Yeah.
I ain't even noticed that.
Automatic.
Dang.
Oh, some of them got their own weapons.
Yeah, the second round, y'all. About to see what it do. And we are in a new arena, so see how this play out.
It's in 3, 2, 1, go, go, go!
Smoke grenade. Somebody running out of CO2. Sean out.
I think that guy hit. But I hit that guy.
Yeah.
At least I hit. I hit one. That should have been moving up. Huh? I was moving up.
Come on. Stop. Stop. Ain't an expert like me. I think that's it now. Yes, sir. Yeah. Game over. Y'all had fun? Yeah.
I thought he was all safe.
Got him in the liver. Dang, boy, you gruesome. Yeah, man. So now, y'all, we done. They had fun. We out of here. About to go home. Close out the vlog. Enjoy the rest of this beautiful day, man. Great day at the paintball arena, guys.
The kids had a ball.
Yeah, and it could have been better if we had like a bigger group of people that was just with us, because you know, like most people out there got malicious intents. Like they be playing with kids and they really be like playing too rough.
Yeah, trying to hit them and trying to hurt them.
Yeah, trying to shoot them in the head and everything.
Yeah, Rollin got shot in the head today.
Yeah, so it was a fun experience, but like I said, it could have been better because you know, if you had a group of people that you was with, everybody wouldn't be trying to hurt each other like this. So it was a great birthday for Sean, and he really enjoyed himself on his 14th birthday, guys. So now we're about to get ready for summer. Like I told you, we had a lot of stuff planned.
Stay tuned.
Yeah, stay tuned. Like big things coming, guys. So you know, if you made it to this part of the video, go ahead.
Smash that like button, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that post notification bell so you know each and every time we drop a new video. Ride with the mob.
Ride with the mob. 10K, guys. We'll be there soon. But without further ado, we appreciate you for riding with the mob. See you on the next vlog. We out.